Chevy Impala. It has such a presence when it's on the road. There's a lot of chrome on this, there's a lot of real estate. You have the trunk that's as equally as long as the hood. The client just loves to cruise on the streets, and who wouldn't? Like, this is not a car you want to go fast, you want to take it slow, have the family, the kids sitting in the back, the wind blowing through your hair, and you want to feel good. Now this client can feel good knowing that their car is professionally detailed. All right, so the products and process that we used on here, we used the rotary because this is a custom paint. We measured it out. There's lots of paint and lots of clear on this. So we went to town and corrected this, and we just put a sealant on there. It's a garage clean. You don't necessarily need a ceramic coating. I always suggest ceramic coatings for people that bring out the cars more often, that they like to showcase it, show it off, and drive it as much as they can. This is a garage clean, so it's a Sunday driver. It doesn't come out that often. The owner has multiple vehicles, so this just sits, but when it comes out, you want it just to come out beautifully. Now with sealants, it lasts up to like 3 months with the proper care, and as long as you don't, take it through a car wash, and this car I highly doubt is ever going to go through a car wash. I want to thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment down below, like the video, share the video. Peace.